call me Quick Fix Joe.
Okay guys, today I'm walking Cora. We're going to do maybe about 2 miles. It's about around 7 o'clock, it's still bright. You notice you don't have the long rain now, so you can't go too far now. Cool. She like to pull. It's an auto zone. Sometimes I walk here to buy my parts, but I don't feel like driving. About, I would say, or 3/4 miles from my house.
Tag a particular channel. Touch. Right.
Cora.
Something I didn't know. After she rolled me, so road needs to cut it. The facts are out there. Like
Come on, Cora. Come on, Cora. Leave my cat alone.
None of
Come
them
on.
can. So they can keep trying, but like you're really
Guys, as we were walking, I didn't see the cat lying beside the fence in the bushes. And Cora alerted me because
Cora alerted you. Cora was trying to kill them people cat. Oh my God, my heart was in my mouth.
she was trying to kill the people cat. I mean, hey, my heart was up my mouth, man. I got a hold of her back and she was pulling. But I tell you what, she don't like cat. I don't know why. Anytime she see a cat, she want to kill him. I don't know why.
And I know that's most dogs' nature, but I guess if they were raised with cats,
yeah,
they're
but
okay.
see, they don't raise with cat. They just raised by themselves. She raised with she and my black lab, but sorry, my black lab passed away like
July the 12th.
July the 12th, and it was hard, but
Show the urn behind you.
and if you look right here, we got the urn and that thing for the dog, and got pictures and a clock, you know. That was my daughter, baby. She cried.
She's still crying.
She's still crying up to now, but you know, that's what it's hard when you have a pet and you love them so much and you pass away like that. You know, it's hard.
And this one's grieving.
Yeah. And Cora is grieving right now, and
She's leaving treats in the yard for the other dog.
yeah, she watches when we give her a treat, she take it in the backyard, put it down, and hide it.
No, you don't hide it. You drop it right
Oh,
where
you drop
the
it
dog
right
would
there?
lay. Yeah, you know, bury it.
And then she come back for her treat, and
The other day she ate half the treat and saved it overnight, and in the morning went to go drop piece
Drop
out
it.
there by the lemon tree.
Wow.
Just a piece. Just a piece.
and she will lie in the house and go to the Wednesday bed and stay there, and you can see she's not happy. It's hard, but you know. Hello, people. I'm here sitting up with
9:45, but we got here like what, 9:05?
You just gotta sit and wait. See what happens.
I don't think they're gonna allow me to go in, but I wish I could. And if I can go in, I don't think they're gonna allow me to tape it. You guys are gonna go to the pimple pop up for that.
I'm getting ready.
The surgery took like 15 minutes, guys. Right? 15, I think about 20 minutes, but you said a good 5 minutes was you just waiting, right? Huh? 10 minutes? Okay. So what did they do? Did they slice and then put that spreader thing?
Wash off it good. This surgery. They put all the blank, all the sheet over you and just that spot.
Cover it up, That's the anesthesia.
After that, I tell you, it smells like flesh the bun and other than burn the shit.
So that slice with the scalpel, did they use that spreader thing to spread it open? Were you able to watch any of that?
No, I couldn't watch it, but you feel a little prick now and again, but nothing to talk about.
He said for me to give me more, see if I may want more. And I said, make you eat. That's all right. That's not eat.
Okay, so how big was it?
But big of it.
Wait, I'm seeing you. Huh? Show the thumb.
But then time my thumb a little bit farther.
Wow, I didn't think it would have been that long.
No, it's good with it.
I thought it would have been more round, like that, like if you cut a lime in half. That's how it looked from the outside, no?
Because a little, hey, bring the top up, but look like he did on this way, isn't it?
Wow, mijo. Well, we're expecting that it's just going to be a benign lipoma, but they're still going to send it away for pathology. I think that's what Kaiser does with anything that they remove from you. They send it away, and we're believing God that it's benign. Nothing else.
The nurse right there attend to, along with the doctor.
You need for me to pull the door for you?
Huh?
Let me come pull the door for you.
Yeah, I'm good.
No, I don't want you to stretch and bust them stitches. Hold on.
Right.
I know you could probably do it, but the stitches are new, you know? The nurse said what? What were you saying about
the doctor have been here, but they said, I don't know, they pop,
Dr. Pimple Popper?
Yeah. I tell her my doctor worked right in front of the building here. This guy said, wow. So the doctor said, I never heard about it, but
wait, you asked them or they asked you?
She asked the doctor if he heard about Papa or the
Dr. Pimple Popper.
Right. He said no. And she was telling him about what all they do. He was making jokes and all that.
Is it a guy doctor? What nationality?
Mexican.
No, you sure it's not Indian?
No.
Well, he had a weird last name. His last name is, let's see, Dankha. D-A-N-K-H-A. Samir Dankha. That sounds like Indian to me. Samir?
He don't look like Indian.
That's not Hispanic.
He clear skin Indian.
Well, some Indians are light skinned.
He look just like Mexican.
You see your daughter? Your daughter's a light skinned Indian?
He's light and they look like Mexicans.
Joseph look like. Let's look up that last name. Iraq.
Iraq?
It's Iraq?
Okay, we make a look like the type of person picture.
Is that what he looked like?
Yeah.
See, I found this picture. You thought the doctor
I thought the doctor was Mexican, folks, because my wife asked me, you sound like Asian to her. I said, that's not an Asian.
I didn't say no. Well, I guess Indians are Asian.
Yeah, that's why you say some kind of Indian. I said, no, to me it's Mexican. And when we look it up, he's an Iraqi. It was, when they was doing this thing, I mean, you could feel how when they pulling on it and they were burning the spot. You could smell burned meat, like there was barbecuing or something. But right now, I tell you what, it's pretty good. I mean, I can move my arm now and I can stretch it up. I don't want to push it too far, so I don't ease off for right now. I'm not going to go to the gym for about a whole week. I'm just going to rest my arm and get it back strong. But right now, I could do a lot of different things. But when they take that piece out, man, I thought it was just a little piece. It was about the length of my big finger here and a little bit farther. And it looked like fatty white meat type of stuff, you know.
But tell them about your
I'm telling them about my, what's the name, lipoma?
You know, earlier in the video, Joel, I cupped it like that. I cupped it, and you could see that it was that long.
It was long.
Yeah.
It was. I mean, he gave the doctor trouble to get out. He was pulling and burning, pulling and burning. I tell him it smelled like burned meat, maybe like barbecue. I was just getting rid.
When you describe it, you know what it reminds me of? Like when you take ground beef from the tube, and you know on the bottom part, because they pull the plastic together and crimp it to tie it off, right? That ground beef that's left in the nooks and cranny. I always have to kind of pull
something like
off.
that.
It's kind of like that.
Shit, I was getting ready. Maybe so I would go have some barbecue or something.
So I want you to remove your bandage on camera for your viewers, but I also wanted to do it for my viewers. So give me a moment to set up for that, okay?
Okay.
We'll be back. All right, go. Well, this was anticlimactic. It's just some band-aids on over the stitches.
See how big what I want you to see.
From here to here. That's where the stitches.
He was cutting.
Oh, it's a lot, boo.
You're gonna have a scar for life now.